How to dry clothes in a flat. Drying clothes in a flat may seem like a daunting task. However, drying clothes in a flat can be very straightforward as long as you've got the right tools for the job. Here are 4 ways to dry clothes in a flat. Number 1. Drying rack. One of the most common ways to dry clothes in a flat is to use a drying rack, also known as a clothes horse or a clothes airer. These are very easy to use. Simply place the drying rack in a well-ventilated place and drape clothes over it, making sure there is room for air to circulate around them. There are 2 main types of drying rack, heated and non-heated. Heated airers cost a bit more money, but they will dry your clothes more quickly by using a moderate amount of heat. Heated airers are cheaper to run than tumble dryers and kinder to your clothes, so they can be a great option. If your flat is warm, sunny and well ventilated, you will be able to get great results from a non-heated airer. Number 2. Tumble dryer. A tumble dryer is an obvious choice if you don't have the option of drying clothes outside on a washing line. Even if your flat is very small, you should be able to find a tumble dryer to fit your space, since there are several smaller models on the market these days. Tumble dryers are very convenient and will dry your clothes quicker than any other method, but they have a few downsides. They are expensive to run, not very environmentally friendly, and the high heat used can damage or shrink your clothes. Number 3. Use your balcony if you have one. If you're lucky enough to have a balcony, you can put up a small washing line or position a clothes airer there. Your clothes will dry much quicker outside if it's sunny and there's a breeze. However, if it's cold and wet, your balcony won't be of much use. Number 4. Dehumidifier. Using a dehumidifier might not seem like an obvious way to dry your clothes, but they can be a game changer for drying clothes in a flat. Dehumidifiers remove moisture from the air, which helps dry clothes and is good for your health as it prevents your flat from getting damp. A lot of dehumidifiers today come with special laundry modes that are designed to help you dry your clothes as well. They are cheaper to run than tumble dryers and obviously much gentler on your clothes. Hopefully you can use one of these 4 methods to dry clothes in your flat. When drying clothes indoors, there are a few important things to remember. First, make the most of the spin cycle feature on your washing machine. You can use an extra spin cycle to remove excess water from your clothes after washing them. This will reduce the time they take to dry. Secondly, remember that ventilation is key when drying clothes in a small space. If it's warm enough to do so, keep all the windows open and make sure that plenty of air can circulate around. Investing in a dehumidifier is a good idea to reduce moisture and help prevent mold. Thirdly, it's a good idea to wash clothes early in the morning so they have the whole day to dry. Clothes normally dry quicker in the daytime, and if you go out in the day, it's better for your health compared to breathing in moist air all night. Finally, consider doing laundry in small, regular bursts rather than doing huge washes. This means you'll have space to dry your clothes and won't end up draping your wet clothes over the sofa. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry tips. Thanks for watching.